Hi, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Happy August the 24th, 2022. And I hope that you are ready to have a wonderful Wednesday because I am. Guess what, guys? It's time for your Mindful Minute with Dr. E. And I know what you're asking yourself. You ask yourself this every day. You say, Dr. E, what you want us to be mindful for today? I want you to be mindful today of challenges that come into your life. And I've talked to you about this before, right? On Monday, we had torrential rains in North Texas. It flooded, there were trees down, there were power outages, there was, it was crazy. Traffic, just nonsense, right? So first of all, I just want to say that I'm super thankful that I have a job where I can work from home. And so the whole team stayed home and wanted to be safe. I do a 45-minute, 45-minute commute to work. And who knows what the roads would have been like between here and there. So again, I'm super thankful for that. And where I was, I had power. I was comfortable. I never, I didn't get wet. So, super grateful about all of those things. But anyway, I woke up Tuesday morning reflecting on that rain. And I thought to myself, the thought that came to my mind was, into every life, some rain must fall. And I was just immediately grateful for that realization. I was thinking to myself that, rain does not come to, hurt us, right? It's natural, it's a part of life. And in life, we strive for balance. And so oftentimes we look forward to the sunny days. I think about that New Edition song, Sunny Days, everybody loves them. But can you stand the rain? I know I'm not a super duper singer, but anyway, rain comes, it may be tests. I thought about rain being figurative and literal. When the rain came, it tested us and it made us, hunker down. But then it also teaches us that we can withstand whatever life throws at us. And so don't be afraid of the rain. Don't shy away from the rain. The rain is here to remind you just how strong you are. Sometimes it can remind you of all the things that you've overcome and all the problems that you faced and solved. And so don't ever shy away from those reminders and those lessons. And I want you to think about the rain in the way that I'm thinking about the rain, that it refreshes, it replenishes, it restores. And sometimes that's just what we need. Sometimes we need a good rain to wash away the sludge and the mud and the dirt. And sometimes when we're feeling dry and we're feeling empty, sometimes that rain fills us back up and gives us what we need to go back out in the world and live the life that we were meant to have. So don't shy away from that rain. Put an umbrella over it if you need to, and sometimes go out and get in it and just dance in it and enjoy life, whatever it is, whether it's a dark day or a light day, whether it's a sunny day or a rainy day. Enjoy it all, because when we go to sleep tonight, we will never see August 24th, 2022 again. And I want you to make it the best August 24th that you've ever had. I want you to make it the most wonderful Wednesday that you have ever had. And guess what, guys? I already know you know what to do, but I'm going to remind you anyway. If you want to have the most wonderful Wednesday that you ever had, I want you to be kind, gentle, and loving to yourself. I want you to be kind, gentle, and loving to anyone in your life. And I want you to give the world the beauty, the warmth, the compassion, and all the joy, the love, just all of the good stuff that smile conveys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I want to say something different today. I want to remind you guys, I'm trying to build up my audience. So, hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and support this Choose Joy journey. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Take care.